Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher Message Assembly for year 3 and 4, it's February 2021. We know that when we talk about how we can become stronger, so we live our best life, we know that the secret is character strength. To build the strength of your character, to be a good person, to be the best person that you can be. And that will help you to solve all the problems, all the challenges as you go forward in life, to live a good life, a worthwhile and meaningful life, which makes it great for you and great for everybody in the world. And wherever you have a problem, wherever you have a challenge, you ask yourself, which character strength am I going to use? Now, we've learned so far that there are 6 virtues, and virtues are good things or noble, brilliant behavior. Number 1 is wisdom. Think deeply. Everything you know to help you to really think deeply, to make great choices. And then the courage to act on those choices. If you know that you've got something to do, you go for it and you live your life to the full. Then temperance, when you act, when you do actions, you do them with balance. You don't go too wild, you don't go too sort of cold. You find the right way to behave, just the right kind of balance. And then with humanity, always with kindness, always with caring, always with wanting to make the world a better place for everybody. Justice is about making sure that everything we do is fair for everybody and is kind and is good for everybody. That is a very powerful virtue. And the last one is transcendence, that higher level. Now, we do everything, we can go to a higher level. We can forgive people. We can be grateful for things. We can see the brilliance and beauty in life and really make our lives very special. So those are the 6 virtues. And today we're focusing on the virtue of justice. So remember, that's living your life and acting, doing actions in a way that is fair for everybody and that considerate of everybody. And we've learned some character strengths that make up the virtue of justice. We've learned about fairness, which we've spoken about. So justice is acting in the right way that's right for everybody. Fairness is thinking about everybody and making sure everybody is treated equally and equally well for them. The character strength that we want to talk about today, which is part of the virtue of justice, is teamwork. All of us working together. Each of us has strengths, and each of us have moments when we are stronger so that we can really contribute well. And if we all come together, we all work together really well, that's called teamwork. And then we can build something called a community. So here's what I want to promote. This is what I want to say. On the 11th of February at 7 p.m., we are going to hold the first history-breaking Great Grange free online quiz night all around London, all around Harrow, all around the world. If it's friends of Grange, we'll all be doing our quiz at the same time. We'll be a community enjoying the quiz at the same time. And this is how you do it. You go to this page on your internet, letslocalize.co.uk. You sign up and then you follow Grange School, and then you pledge to join for free the online quiz which Grange does. And what was really nice, as I was doing the screenshot, I saw Miss Chorney, who's one of our very own Grange teachers. She had signed up to do the quiz. So thank you for inspiring us, Miss Chorney. Really appreciate that. And it's all of us. We need to make our community great. So I'm also just giving a shout out. Another thing that helps us to be a great community is a Great Grange Reading Challenge. You know about that with My On. Brilliant. Participate in that. I'm going to tell you a powerful teamwork action. How can we not just be a school, but a community? Sign up for the quiz. Sign up for the quiz. Sign up for the quiz. So what problems does teamwork solve? Well, it turns us into a community. That's what we are. That's what we're going to be. Sign up for the quiz, everybody. That's our Grange CC way. Confident for ourselves, wanting to have fun and be brilliant and enjoy the quiz and consider it, because we realize by doing the quiz, we're a community, all of us together, making our schools stronger. That's our Grange philosophy for life. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live with confidence and consideration. Let's enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Sign up for the quiz. We have 19 people signed up so far. We want to get to 100, and even possibly 124 is the record on Let's Localize. Let's see if we can break that, get more than 124 people signed up for our quiz. So let's be great. Sign up for the quiz. Let's be Grange.